Yeah, you're right. We gotta come up with a better twist. Wait a minute. Shyamalan pies. Tarantino fries. Shyamalan pies. I got it! I know what we're gonna pitch! Come on!
Wait, never mind. Something.
One hero, one location. I say we just jump right into the action. Doesn't matter. Okay, so he tries to run away and he falls on his butt. He tries to run away and he dies. Doesn't matter. Okay, so he tries.
Oh my God.
Okay, so he tries to run away, but he can't because he pooped his pants.
Okay, we're done. Oh, now I'm rolling.
Let's make it more suspenseful.
There's no way.
Let's make it more suspenseful.
And press pose 2. Action.
Let's make it more suspenseful.
Oh my God. No, they just pop in and then they just immediately move. It's like a frame. You can put that thing down.
Okay. I think we can work something out, alright? And then?
And then you
Is that-
fall.
Oh, I'll fall. You
Yeah.
want to stay there? Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Let's just work something out, okay?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Action. Oh my God. Oh shit. That was a blooper. Action. Okay, stop. That was good. Give me a boom line. Okay, up. Up.
Don't hit my
I won't.
head.
I'll
Okay,
try
so
not- Hello, hello,
Test.
hello.
Do you want to build a snowman? I'm getting heavy.
What the? Right here's good.
yeah, right there's good. I need to make sure you're in focus.
The rock? Josh gave me one earlier and I just threw it. I was like, what am I supposed to do?
No, like your eyeliner was like everywhere. So Trey's like Trey.
For some reason, I thought it was this way, because
Trey, point the gun at them, and then look at the camera.
Look at the camera too.
Do it right now. Just get shot now. Boom. You shoot. Yes. Now, if the car was moving, we would have kept it.
I'm gonna kill both of you!
I have an idea. Oh, okay. Here, actually.
huh? Huh? Huh?
Alright. Let me
What?
focus this.
You better do something right this time.
Oh, that's okay.
Get out. And then, you want to do the last one? Or did you get it already?
I've been rolling this whole
Oh, you've been
time.
rolling all this time?
Yes.
Okay then.
It's okay, Mr. Pastrami. We've got a great idea. All right, Mr. Pastrami, we've got a great idea.
Just hear us out.
I should have told you what the plan was, because that wasn't the plan.
Ah.
I gotta go get it.
I couldn't see your face.
Yeah.
Maybe like wait until you like crouch down into the shot to see like what?
I'm gonna hurt you. Okay, picture this.
2 writers.
Sitting in a cafe to write a script.
You guys have to both.
Assemble.
Oh, I'm gonna kill both of you.
Okay.
Huh? Huh?
Well, don't. The shot is like this, so don't get out of the shot.
Huh?
Okay. So we're gonna do the. So let me show you how you. Okay, that was good. Yeah.
Are we missing anything?
Because like if we try this prop scene now, it's not gonna work. Cause
Yeah.
it's like a whole thing.
Tomorrow!
Maybe that's the villain's ex
Yeah, you stole my.
girl.
Yeah, you stole my girl.
Yeah, I think it was good. All right.
Sweet.
Hey, watch it!
What? Okay, that was good. I didn't hear you guys planning that. That was funny.
Screw this.
What?
I'm sorry.
I always record the part.
Whoa.
Action. Action. Okay, that was weird.
That's weird?
I don't know. You look like him from the butt. You're like.
I'm gonna beat you. It'll take a couple times.
Yeah, it'll probably take a couple times.
Right.
Go.
Almost had it.
Oh nose. Ah, almost.
You count. It was perfect, but then I realized I was like, "Oh shoot! I didn't think we'd get this far."
Yeah.
And I didn't tell you what to do.
I know. I was like,
You just-
come on, man. Let's just work something out, okay?
Looks like you got electrocuted.
Please, you don't have to do this. Señor, no tienes que hacer esto. Please just give me another chance. I can do some more rewrites. Have you heard about my other ideas too? Can I do one?
Yeah.
Please just give me another chance. I have a. Oh wait, hold on. I can do it. Let me go one more time.
Coming in an hour.
So that's how it's gonna be, huh?
Okay, maybe not with. You might. It sounds like you're doing like an accent, like a cowboy accent.
So that's how it's gonna be.
I'm gonna tilt up. So let me. What's that?
All right, Mr. Pastrami, we're ready for the pitch.
I forgot to.
What happened?
That's because you started laughing. All right, Mr. Pastrami, we're ready for the pitch.
That was actually really good from Brandon. But I think Skylar purposely did a horrible one.
What? All right, Mr. Pastrami, we're ready for the pitch.
Brandon keeps doing it perfectly, but Skylar keeps being sarcastic.
I'm not being sarcastic. Well, we've got a great idea. Just hear us out.
Okay, Brandon, you don't
Yes.
have to sound European.
I said the European.
Maybe that was Australian?
Canadian.
Yeah,
Canadian.
Die already.
2, 1, action. Shoot! It's yeah, it's a poof.
Yeah.
Dang. Found it. Shoot! Dang. Shoot! Ready? Five. Whoa! Oh, who's there?
God.
Yeah. Mano, look at the shot with my. Wait. It looks good. It came from above.
I know. That's our most expensive actor.
Throw. Don't throw it midair. Don't grab it. No, don't destroy it. Oh, now it works.
It's working right now.
I give up. Go.
What? What?
No, not that. Action.
Nani? Nani?
What the heck? That was good.
That's how it feels!
Okay. Didn't work. Cut.
Just go give that to a kid.
1.
on, action.
Rolling.
Go.
Bye. Stop. I think that should be good, right? Maybe. Oh, it didn't even hit her. Did you see that?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Look at the fog. Okay, Lexi, get in character.
We don't get to have any fun.
I know. Trust me. Okay, we're gonna do. Don't kick it.
Okay, Michael Jackson.
Everyone's all loopy.
Yeah, it's those
crackhead hours.
Those hours.
It's crackhead hours.
Where are we?
We have the right setting.
No, that's too fast. Yeah.
That's with this.
Just keep going crazy, and go back in the shot. Come on. Dang it. Okay, no, don't open your mouth. Just like separate your lips, and that's good enough.
Oxygen.
That was too much of a mouth movement. Like you look like this.
Did I say anything?
Don't raise your head so high. You look like you're like,
what's up? What's up?
What's up, homie? Yo, shorty. Where were you?
oh, that was blurry. But
Why?
jeez, you actually fell. Okay, well, good. Got it.
I don't know. I seem to be changing my mind. I don't know. I'm just like so tired.
Ah, drum guy.
You're yawning so hard.
Yeah.
Ready?
Who yawn?
I don't know. Christian.
Do you want to fly some yawn?
Time rolls.
I'm taking I'm yawning.
It's okay.
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Not like that.
Oh, wow.
Just like slightly like.
Yes.
Oh wow! I didn't like a little
Wow.
bit. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, wow.
Exactly.
That's right, I gotta channel it.
Yeah, channel it.
I am so non-playable right now. Oh, wow. I didn't know.
Let's have it more awkward, like, thanks. Anyway, be so busy. What's he doing right now?
Like different like tone.
Yeah, like you've completely changed your character.
Okay. Thanks. Anyway, he's so busy. What's he doing right now?
Okay.